Good morning, students. We have start the chapter congruency of triangles. We understand what is the condition need to prove the congruency of triangles. Now, today I am going to teach you two theorems. That what if first theorem is that theorem 1. Theorem 1 is that if side of a triangle are equal, then the angles opposite to them are equal. Okay. Now first I draw the triangle, then you can easily understood. Triangle A, B and C. See, if two sides of a triangle are equal, that means suppose and side A equals to side AB equals to side AC, you should prove that the opposite angles opposite to them are also equal. That means you should prove that angle B equals to angle C. For that, first what we do? First we draw a perpendicular line AD on BC. Okay. Now, after draw the line, we can see there are two triangles formed. The triangle ABD and the triangle ACD. In this two triangle ABD, angle ADB is angle ADC. Because what? Because each angle are 90 degree. Because we draw AD is perpendicular on BC and each angle was to 90 degree. Right? Now see, side AB is equals to AC, which is given. So, and AD is the common. AD is the common field for both this triangle. So, you can say that both the triangle are congruent. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. If the truth, and which law is fulfilled here? This is right angle. Right angle is proved here. Another side and the AD is the hypotenuse. That means RHS condition is fulfilled here. So, therefore, if they are congruent, so we can say that triangle ABC, or you can say that ABD is equals to angle ACD, or you can say that angle B is equals to angle C. That means we can prove that if two sides of a triangle are equal, then the angle opposite to them are also equal. This is the theorem 1. Now the next theorem, theorem 2. If two angles, the opposite of this, if two angles of a triangle are equal, then the sides opposite to them are equal. So now, what is the proof? First, similar way, draw the triangle. In the previous one, draw the triangle ABC and construct AD on BC. Right. Now see, the triangle ABD and the triangle ACD, what we observe here? We just proved this two sides are equal, right? So don't use this symbol here. Now what do we do? See that angle ABD is equals to angle ACD, because it is given two angles of a triangles are equal. That means ABD equals to ACD is given, and ADB equals to angle ADC. ADB equals to angle ADC because AD is perpendicular on BC and each angle is 90 degree, right? Now AD is the common. AD is common between these two triangle. Okay. Now we can say that, so angle and side, that means AAS rule is fulfilled here. We can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Which condition is fulfilled? Two angle and one side. So therefore we can say that AB is equals to AC, and corresponding side is also equal. Now what you do after completing or understanding this example sums, you do the exercise questions from 1 to the remaining 13 question. This is your homework, and if you have facing some problem, we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.